Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to back up photos on OneDrive on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open settings, then tap on your Samsung account. Now first of all, just make sure that you have logged into your Samsung account. Now after that, just tap on Samsung Cloud. Now just tap on Gallery, then tap on More. Now just tap on Continue. Now just make sure that you have created a Microsoft account. Now I have already created a Microsoft account, so I will enter the Gmail which I have used to create the Microsoft account. After you create your Microsoft account, just enter the Gmail you have used to create your Microsoft account right here. Then tap on Next. Now just tap on Send Code, and a 6-digit code will be sent on your Gmail. Now as you can see, we have received our OTP code. Now just enter your OTP code right here. Then tap on Yes and select Accept. Now just tap on Done. Now as you can see, it is moving the data of our gallery app to the OneDrive. And this is how you can back up your photos on OneDrive on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.